Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss how we can connect our business email to our gmail.com. So basically, you will be able to receive and you will be able to send email from your Gmail account, but the actual address will be your business email address. So let me explain a bit what I mean from that. Suppose you have a website, or in this context I have a website techyblogging.com, and admin at the rate techyblogging.com is my business email. So I have given this business email to many social platforms. Even I have mentioned it in my websites, in my YouTube channel, and anybody who wants to connect with me, they will use this business email and they can send me email. But what if I have many numbers of websites? So I will have different business email. So in order to manage that, you need a common platform, and that can be your gmail.com. So once you add your business email.com to your gmail.com, so within a single Gmail account, you will be able to manage all emails that is coming from your respective business email.com. So in this video I will tell you step by step how to perform that. So I will show you for one particular business email, but the process would be pretty much similar to any business email. So before proceeding further, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification from my channel for such videos in future. So first of all, if you don't have a business email for your website, then click on the I button. I have explained how you can create a business email.com for completely free. So now before proceeding further, we will have to collect some informations about our business emails. First, you will have to log into your cPanel. So you may have to search the option for your web hosting provider. So here I am in my cPanel, and here we'll have to search for a option called email accounts. So just click on it. Here we will be able to see all the business email that we have created. So I want to sync, or I want to connect this admin at the rate techyblogging.com to my Gmail account. So you will have to click on connect device. So again, the option may be little bit different for you, but the main purpose is to find the mail client manual settings. So these are the settings that I have for this email account. Now once you get this email account, the main information that you need it from here is that these two, incoming server and the port details, and outgoing servers and the port details. Now you will have to log into your Gmail account. So here I am in my Gmail account, and at the top right hand side corner you will be able to see a option called settings. Just click on it, click see all settings. Now click on account and import. Here you will be able to see options called add mail account. Just click on it, and here it will ask you email address. Simply type your business email here, and then click on next. So import emails from my other account POP3. Make sure this is checked and click on next. Then we will have to give the username. Most of the time your username is similar to your business email address, so I have just pasted it. Password would be the same that you use to connect to your email account. So let me type it, and then you'll have to provide the POP server. So the POP server, you will find it in the cPanel. Here wherever you see the incoming, that is the POP server for you. So here it is mail.techyblogging.com, and here it's already mentioned, so automatically it has taken. In your case, if it has not, then you will have to paste the POP server here. Then comes to the port section. Here the port for POP3 is 995, so I will have to select it, that 995. Then check this box, leave a message of retrieved message on the server. Then always use secure SSL, and then click on label incoming message. I will tell you what it does. Then click on add account. So if you have given all the necessary informations correctly, then you will see this message, your email account has been added. Now would you like also to be able to send email as admin@techyblogging.com? So you can use your Gmail to send email also. So I really want that because I don't want to log into every business email account individually. I want to manage it from a single console, that is from my Gmail account. So click the checkbox, yes, I want to be able to send mail as, and then click on next. Now it will again ask some informations. Here I will give a name for easy identification. So I will give admin and tech blogging website name and treat as alias. I'll keep as is, and I will click on next step. And here we'll have to provide the SMTP server. So same information you will be able to get it from your cPanel's mail account information. So the outgoing server is nothing but the SMTP server. So in my case it's same as the POP server. So I will paste it, and next the port is here, port 465. So same thing I will have to select here, port 65. Username would be similar to your business email.com. So in my case it is admin@techyblogging.com. Then I'll have to give the password for my email account, leave the secured connection as SSL, and then click on add account. So it will check the credentials, and it will send an email to your business email address for a confirmation code. So you don't have to log in to your actual email account. Now you will be able to verify as well whether you have got any email address or not. So go back to your Gmail account, just refresh the page, because sometimes it might take a little bit time to sync up your business email account to your Gmail account. So now you go to inbox and go a little bit down. Under label section you will be able to see your email address. So here I can see so many mails has came. So all these mail that has come to me, it's from my business email account. So far we have not received any verification code. So I can click resend email, and let's see if we receive any emails or not. Here it is, we have got a Gmail confirmations, and here we will be able to see the confirmation code. Just copy that and paste it here and click on verify. So if the verification is successful, the console will go away just like it happened. So now whatever mails comes to your business email account, automatically it will be sent to your Gmail account, and you just have to check the labels, that is admin at the rate and your business email.com, and every mail will be appear here. Not only that, you will also be able to send a reply from here. So this was the process for one particular business email, but you can do it for multiple business your business email account. So hope this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions on this topic. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification about new videos from my channel.